Hello, Nainam. As you know, I'm Khalifa Al-Mary, and today I'm going to talk about the tectonic plate boundaries, and specifically the transform fault boundary. I'm going to also talk about a supercontinent that is going to form in 250 years, which is the Pangaea Ultima. Plate tectonic theory. The theory is that Earth's outer shell is divided into various plates that go over the mantle, which is the rocky inner layer, over the core. The plates act like a hard and rigid shell compared to Earth's mantle. This very strong inner layer is called lithosphere. What causes tectonic plates to move? Plates in our planet move because of the intense heat in the Earth's core that creates movements of molten rock in the mantle layer. It eventually moves in a pattern that is called convection cell that forms when warm material rises, cools, and eventually sinks back down. Transform boundary process. The plate boundary that I chose was the transform plate boundary. The transform boundary are merely sliding past each other and not tearing or crunching each other like the divergent and convergent boundaries. How is it formed? It is formed between two different plates, each moving away from the spreading center of a divergent plate boundary. In the future. Based on the way continents are currently drifting, this map shows what Earth will look like in 250 years. One giant supercontinent called Pangaea Ultima. 250 years ago, in the future. Based on the way continents are currently drifting, this map shows what Earth will look like in 250 years. One giant supercontinent called Pangaea Ultima. 250 million years ago, nearly all land mass above sea level was squashed together into one giant supercontinent called Pangaea. During this time, invertebrate life gave way to small vertebrates on the land and sea animals. Then the megacontinent began breaking apart, isolating that life to the point where one continent could successfully grow koala bears, and thus justify the entire painful and tedious process of evolution. In conclusion, I talked about plate tectonic theory, the transform fault boundary, and finally the next supercontinent, the Pangaea Ultima. Hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.